Motivation for Beginners in Shorthand. A brief audiobook by YouTube channel Shorthandly. Please use earphones for best experience. Often when learning a new skill, different people have different mindset. Some think that it's easy for them and they'll be able to make it, while others may think that it's too hard and they would never be able to make it. Having a positive mindset along with hard work is a must-have if you want to achieve success in any field, as it really plays a major role. As the famous quote from Henry Ford itself says, "Whether you think you can or you think you cannot, you are right." This brief audiobook is for those who are new to shorthand and have a doubt or two about their capability or how much time it takes to learn shorthand. If you want to give your best, it's better not to tell your mind, for example, it takes about 3 months or 6 months to learn shorthand, or to attain a specific speed. Everything depends on your hard work and consistency towards your goal. The more you give your time to a particular thing, the earlier and better you'll master it. Mastering the writing of shorthand requires sincere and consistent efforts, as well as discipline. If one really desires to become a professional stenographer, then she really needs to work hard enough on a daily basis, keeping in mind that any type of procrastination may slow down one's progress. So, first of all, just make a commitment to yourself that you would sincerely utilize your 24 hours the best you can and would not waste your time on other useless stuff. If you have to achieve anything in life, then you gotta push yourself the best you can and be consistent. Don't make big goals in starting. In the initial stage, focus on small things and try getting better at it. Then focus on big goals. If you are doing something every day for some minutes or some hours, then you are getting better at it every day. No one is perfect. Every professional you see in any field had to start from zero. So you too have to do the same, and you will yourself see the improvement in your work after you have spent a lot of time and dedication towards it. Just keep going to your path and never quit. Remember, hard work pays off. So just have faith in yourself and make your everyday progress the better you can. If others can do it, then you too can. There's nothing in this world that a man cannot do. Good luck.